today we're going to make this adorable bee box card. You have two options for sentiments. You can say, I hope your birthday is as sweet as honey, or if you're making the card for a just because or a thinking of you, you can say that, I hope you have a beautiful day. Both go perfectly with the theme of bees. And since I am moving right now and I don't have all my papers, I'm going to do a print and cut for the entire card except for the card base. Now let's get to piecing our card together. The first thing I'm going to do is put together our little bees. They are super adorable and they are a little bit delicate, not super so that they're extremely hard to put together, but if you just are rough with them, those little lines in between that make the bodies have more dimension, they could rip easily. So you want to be a little gentle when putting on the glue. And now that we have our innards put together, it is time to make the card base. And this is my favorite part, just watching my silhouette cut things out. And now that our machine has cut out all of our card pieces, we are going to start by putting together the box. You just fold along the fold lines. I use tape runner to tape the tab to the other side. And that is ready to go. And now we're going to put the decorative elements on our box. Super simple, just put some glue on and line them up. Now we're going to put our inserts in, just fold along the fold lines, and you can see here I'm just checking my placement. I put glue tape on both sides and then just slide it right in. And to secure that, I just fold the card so I can press down on both sides because your card should be able to fold flat to fit in an envelope. And the inserts are labeled 1, 2, 3, so you won't get mixed up what order you put them in. And now it's time to put it on our sentiment and our card will be done. I am sending this card as just a thinking of you card, so I am going to use the hope you have a beautiful day sentiment. And I hope you've enjoyed making this card with me. I've sure enjoyed being here with you today. And don't forget to get this card at the Silhouette Design store. and follow me on all social media at by Catherine Spencer. And I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.